Well, welcome to Carrihue, where I live. I'm Paddy McCartney, and organic gardener for about 50 years. It's hard to believe. So today we're going to do, this morning, we're going to do lovely planting of seeds of the pea family, and we're doing microgreen planting. And this is have a taste of peas long before the peas are ready out in the garden. So we have here in front of us a lovely seed tray, a modular seed tray with little individual places for the pea to go. So here we have the peas, 2 to each little section, and we're planting them in. And as I plant them here, I push them down because you plant the depth of the seed. So whatever size the seed is, you usually plant it that depth down. So there we go there. So push them down into the compost, like that. And normally what I would do, if I had time, I would have soaked these peas overnight. And as I plant them down there, I'll do another one. Here we go. And there we go. Plant them deep down like that. And then we cover them with good compost. There we go. And now I push them down into it. I'll do the whole tray later on. So there we go. So we're just pushing them down, and I'd water that well once, and that's it. I'd wait for them to come up.
How often do you water?
Well, it depends on the weather. So if the weather is nice and sunny and the tray dries out, you'll know by the weight of the tray. So the weight of the tray will tell you when it's light, it needs watering. So you don't water too much. The pea will do all the work itself. Now all the energy in the little pea will actually germinate itself and come up as a shoot. So what we're going to do is we're going to eat the little shoots. So we have one here we prepared earlier. Earlier? Yes. So here we have pea shoots. So those were now growing up in the individual little trays there, you see. And then what I do is I eat the top here. So what I'm looking for is the nutrients in this lovely stuff here.
Whoa, really?
Absolutely gorgeous.
So it's a salad?
It's a salad leaf, yeah. So you can do with anything. Broccoli you could do peas, you could do sunflowers. So this is my snack when I'm out in the greenhouse. I just come along and you get a lovely taste of peas. So that's a lot of plants you can have, and you usually put it in the house to germinate. So I will be starting in Valentine's Day. So I always plant things on Valentine's Day to get the love into the little seeds.
I love it. So let's come back and share what to do around Valentine's Day.
Yeah. So
in the meantime, hug your seeds.
Hug your seeds. Yeah. So we'll come back then. So lovely. So we'll be starting on Valentine's Day and planting onions, and a bit of chard, a bit of lettuce, a bit of spring onions. So we're doing that all in February.
Thanks, Paddy. We'll get ready. How do we get ready? Buy some seeds and...
Buy some seeds, some compost, and little trays. And that's all you need.